No, I can't stop now. I set out on a mission to avenge the deaths of my hopes and my ambitions, no time for rest. This world is filled with more challenging tests, so just let me take a breath. In between the madness there were slivers of clarity with no explanation, so I call it a rarity. And truth be told, there's no room for my sanity. Hold tight now, here comes the cavalry. I'm back to the bloodshed and the violence. I'm watching my life flash right behind my eyelids. I'm counting the lives, here I'm dying in the silence. Now this is where my mind splits. The Dark Knight, he's a demon and a saint. He knows how to impose and will show no restraint. Still meets bone, it's like a picture that he paints. Now he stands alone while the blood drips from his veins.
No regard for your life. You got time to ride.
No wrong or right.
You got time to ride.
Don't even try to hide.
You got time to ride.
From this animal
You
inside.
got time to ride.
No regard for your life.
You got time to ride.
No wrong or right.
You got time to ride.
Don't even try to
You
hide.
got time to ride.
From this animal inside. It's like you never saw it coming. It's like you never saw it coming. A vicious killer, now he's living on the run, and he's not afraid of the darkness, certain that his blades are the sharpest. The bloodthirst is boiling over. He's standing at the gates while he threatens your exposure. So lock up tight, cause he's hunting for some closure. The beast inside is not willing to roll
You
over.
got time to ride.
No regard for your life.
You got time to ride.
No wrong or right.
You got time to ride.
Don't even try to
You
hide.
got time to ride.
From this animal
You
inside.
got time to ride.
No regard for your life.
You got time to ride.
No wrong or right.
You got time to ride.
Don't even try to
You
hide.
got time to ride.
From this animal inside. And now he's marching up the steps with nothing in his wake but a few last breaths. And his wounds aren't fatal, his mental state is quite far from unstable. While his eyes see red, no remorse for the dead, not a hint of regret. And in this final moment, he closed his eyes tight and remembered all the things that he loved in his life. Cause this is where it all ends. The door's unlocked and his life's unhinged. No doubt in his mind, it's time to claim the win. With one final swing, then the battle begins. He's busting down the door and he can't believe his mind. The man that he sees has fucking tiger eyes. He calls bullshit, he's convinced it's all lies. The battle that he fights is all inside. The truth hits like bricks that fall from the walls that he built so thick. He would show they'd never fall, but they fell so quick. Like a time bomb that hit its last tick. It's the Dark Knight's destiny. Give them all I have, but they'll never get the best of me. Put down your hands, cause I'm finished with the questioning. Stand in my way, and I'll answer with the reckoning.
You got time to ride.